Hey everybody, we're going to do an unboxing of the Ecobee SmartSensor. In this package, looks as if you're going to get two. I was able to get this as a two-pack combo with the Ecobee Enhanced thermostat, as well as these guys. Really nice, high quality packaging, I would say. A lot of cardboard. Just push it through. Open it. You've got your two sensors right there. Look, there it looks like a booklet. And we'll grab and pull that guy out of there. So there's the booklet. Here comes each sensor. As you can tell, the sensor is a two-part. It sits on a magnetic base that just clips right into there. As you can tell, they're covered in the little protective plastic. So there's one, there's two. I thought that was a pretty neat way to design a little magnetic base. So if you need to change the batteries or anything, you can, and then you don't forget where you placed it. So yeah, pretty simple. You just get two sensors. You're able to put them in different areas of the house. They connect via Wi-Fi through the system. So there you go. Like, share, and subscribe.